welcome to Milan. Sorry, I have to wear this mask because it's kind of required here in Milan. But you know, it's not that busy compared to previous times that I've been here. I think it's because of the pandemic, but yet still, Milan is so beautiful. You can see the Duomo at my back, and this is the Galleria, where all those expensive, high-end stores are there. So I hope you like this. We just have a quick stop here in Milan.
We're here in Duomo.
Yeah, but I think they're closed.
No.
Why can't we get inside? Sir, is this your first time here?
No, it's my second time.
It's your second time. So many when they're open.
Might be the one that truly got me. I'd be the
We're in here in Duomo, Italy. So it's not so busy. Well, there's still a lot of people wearing masks, but it's not as busy as we used to. And I don't know if you can enter the cathedral. You can see from there. Looks like not. People are controlled. Poloye 30.
Yes.
So you're taking video Poloye 30.
Yeah, no.
Hello Viajeros, welcome to Milan. Sorry, I have to wear this mask because it's kind of required here in Milan. But you know, it's not that busy compared to previous times that I've been here. I think it's because of the pandemic, but yet still, Milan is so beautiful. You can see the Duomo at my back, and this is the Galleria, where all those expensive, high-end stores are there. So I hope you like this. We just have a quick stop here in Milan. Actually, the real plan is to go Jollibee to eat chicken joy. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the ring button so you'll be alerted when I have new videos. And please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Saan ka punta?
Starbucks.
Ano bibili mo?
Baso.
Baso lang? Ma'am?
Para kay Joy, Nas Ligaya.
Talaga? Gusto mo baka mapagsarado ka na? Saan ba ron may Starbucks?
Hindi ko alam eh, pero hanapin natin ha.
Saan daw?
Dito na, diretso daw dito.
So hanapin mo.
Oo, hanapin ko.
Pero anong oras daw magsasarado yun?
Alas 7, so 30 minutes na lang.
30 minutes na lang. Pero hindi ganun karaming tao kumpara.
Makakabili na tayo ngayon. Kung aabutan natin bukas.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Jollibee, Milan. Jollibee, Milan.
Guys, when you are in Milan, the place to go and the place to eat in Milan is
Jollibee!
Jollibee. So guys, you need to remember Duomo, turn right, go straight, and then you will see Jollibee. Alright? Remember that there's only 2 Jollibee now in Europe. One in London and now Milan. First is Milan and then they open London. So we're going to Milan for Jollibee. Guys, pag nasa Italy kayo, dun lang ang Jollibee diretso. Diba yan? Imagine, dumayo pa kami dito sa Milan para sa Jollibee. Say Jollibee. Where's the sign? See that? Guys, look at the sign. It says Chicken Joy! My God, Chicken Joy! I'm so happy. I'm so happy seeing Chicken Joy. Parang ilang taon na ako di nakakain ng Chicken Joy. Guys, kakain tayong Chicken Joy! Yes! Kakain tayong Chicken Joy! Just there. Have you seen that? Jollibee! 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 You see the bee in the corner? Guys, look at this. Jollibee. That's it, guys. We flew all the way from Amsterdam just to eat this Chicken Joy. It's all worth it, my friend. All worth it. Chicken Joy. Rado? What's for two? No. Holy shit. Until 10.
Until 10.
Pwede na tayo take off if you like. Pwede na tayo.
Pwede rin.
Pa-picture ka na lang dyan kay Jollibee. Oh, ang lawang pala. Joy. Jollibee.
Entrata.
Jollibee. 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 80? Ay, gusto kay Mami.
22 euro. Bakit chicken doon? Magkano ba sa
Right?
Guys, 50 euro na yun, guys. Pwede na ako yung 100 lang. Pwede na yun. Ikaw, Jason, namiss mo ba yan? Nahali namin, guys. From Amsterdam.
This is how the airport of Milano looks like. Not so many people. Look at this. It's almost empty. You can see only local flights, I can say. Regional flights, not so much international. It's really the pandemic. See that? See only these two Filipinos here roaming in the airport. Not so many people here. See? Hey guys, what are you doing? It's pandemic. Why you keep on traveling, huh? You should go home and stay home. Only here you can see it. They cannot see it. Oh. Grazie mille Milano.
Coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me.